So in this session, we are going to discuss about string. String is one of the most commonly used data structure in core Java. Data structures means it is just a way to represent the data. So string is a array of the character. You know array already we talked about.
Yes.
String is array of what? Character.
Characters.
If you have many character and you just make an array of it, that is called string. In Java, first way of creating string is like this. Can you see this? String str equals to cubico. Got
Mhm.
it? So here I'm making an object of what? Fill in the blank. Here I'm making an object of what?
Strings.
String class. Here
Mhm.
we are making what? Instance or of string class. See, first time you may be seeing I'm creating object without using new operator. Say yes.
New keyword. Yes.
So here I'm making an object of string. I'm using new keyword or without new keyword. First time you are
With-
seeing this.
Without.
Magic. String is the special is way to create the object. Oh, nice. Are you following me? No new operator. No new operator. Subha, is clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is called creating object of string using string literal because we are not using a new. We are just using literal, right?
Literal.
Constant value. What this is known as? This
Literal.
is called creating instance of string using string
Lit-
literal.
Literal.
Literal means constant value. Got it? So guys, when you make object of string like this, so in JVM, Java
Mhm.
Virtual Machine, it is
Mhm.
responsible for running your Java program. Many people not replying. Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah.
Sir,
So in Java, the JVM is there. In JVM, we have a special memory, and that memory is called intern pool. What?
intern pool.
Intern pool or string pool. It is a part of JVM or not?
It
Yeah.
is.
Yes.
String, you can say intern pool or not internal, I'm sorry, intern pool or string pool. So you need to understand how this concept works, right? So when you make an object of a string using string literal, first of all, it goes in this memory and check whether cubico is there or not. And cubico is represented as a array. What is check in the memory? This cubic is there or not. Make sense? Ku, we have memory limitation. Okay. I can make it some simple thing. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. I'm going to just change this string. I need 4 to
Again.
5 letter.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nagin is the I think best
Yeah.
example of it.
Yeah.
If you don't
Mhm.
mind, can I write it?
Yeah. Sure, man. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for putting me or
Yeah.
paying attention on me. Simple.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Like here, I'm creating an object of string using Nagin. So n would be in first block as per the array A.
GN.
I forget it. G. Can you help me? Actually, you are not helping me. That's why this is happening.
Okay, man.
So I'm able to make the Nagin wire, right?
Mhm.
First. So when you make a string like this, it will first of all it will go in the memory in the intern pool. It will check Nagin is there or not. So first time Nagin is there. No.
No.
Then it will create a new memory array and it will return back to you. If you got it, say I got it. Otherwise, say I don't understand. Hmm?
So,
Subha?
I mean, how do you mean it's created?
Yeah. See, when you are doing Nagin, right? You are saying, hey, can you make the object of it? So,
Mhm.
so JVM garbage collector, it will go to the JVM intern pool and it will check what Nagin is there or not. This Nagin content memory is there or not. So first time it is there. No. If it is not there in the intern pool, it will create a new memory. Na again,
I got it now.
right? Zero
Mhm.
index, one index, two index, three index, and four index. Make sense? Yeah. And if you are creating again the same object, Subha,
Yeah,
like T,
I, yeah,
and
I
again you
understand
are
now. Yeah.
creating na again, right?
Hmm.
Again, to create a memory for it, it will go and check in the Nagin. Hey Nagin, intern pool. Do you have Nagin? It's saying
Yeah,
yeah. So it won't be create a new memory and it will return the address of the same memory or same object to you.
2T. Yeah.
Actually, it is designed in that way. If
Mm.
this Nagin is there in the intern pool, it will return the same. If it is not there, then it will allocate the memory for it. Make sense? So what happened? First time when you are using string Nagin, it is creating memory in the intern pool, right? Second time, what it is doing?
Just
It is
creating the
just taking
reference.
it is just taking the address of it and same address. Suppose address of this object is Papa, sorry, P1 P1, right? So first of all, it is returning P1 P1 to str1. Same P1 P1 2 is returned to
T.
T1 T1 T as well, right?
Mm.
So T and str both has same address. Yes, you know. If I compare
Yes.
the address of it, what happened? Who will tell me?
Then
If
I
I
will
compare
again.
the address of str equals to
PI,
T,
PI.
so it will return true or false. I am doing here address comparison. This is called reference equality also in technical terminology. Which equality? Reference
Reference
equality. So
quality.
tell me, here it will come true or false?
True.
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 Execute the code.
Same. Now I am again creating another string. String is Z, right? And
Mhm.
here I'm just dividing into two parts. Na plus gain, right? So tell me, you tell me in again, if you write in one part or two part, there is any change? No,
Oh,
no.
no,
No,
no.
we concat.
Tell me in G, it will come Nagain or it will change? No,
Now again.
Nagain. So this is a similar example. Again, if you do this, it will go in the intern pool and check it is there or not. It will give you the same address to it. So what address will be copied again into it? So same object is being used. So if I compare what man
Address.
T and what T, it will come true or false.
True. True.
Let me. You guys are confident about it?
No,
Yeah,
I'm
that's
confused, man. I don't know how it's true.
yeah.
Sir,
Nagin Nagin is
why do
same,
we have
and
P
then the
and
string G is the concat with the na and then. So Nagin same, right?
Oh man, do you know formula? Do you know mathematics? Constant is constant. 5 plus 5 is 10 or what? Tell me.
Yeah, 5 plus 5 is 10.
10. So here Na plus Jn, it will come again or it could be changed in any scenario.
I have a question. So the T equal to true, right? Oh,
Yeah, go ahead.
the T, J T. The T is true, right?
G equals to T, it will come true. If you compare it, it will go in the if condition.
Okay, so the T equal to true. Okay, that's what I want to know. Okay,
Yeah, G equals to T, it will return true and if condition will become
okay.
true. I'll show you. Subha,
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
what's confusion you have?
No, no, that's fine. Yeah, okay. That's a new thing. All right, I'll work on it.
No, you got it or not right now?
No, I mean, I got the concept, but I'll try. I'll try something. I mean, I'll try on Eclipse and see how that works.
So you tell me if I'm teaching you here something, Eclipse will show you something else?
No, 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 man. I will understand better, man. I mean, if I do the coding myself and run the program myself, I have better understanding, right?
Of course.
Yeah,
And
sure.
always I do, right? Always I
Mm.
say, go and do yourself. I say or not?
Exactly. That will give you a better understanding how the program is
Of
flowing,
course,
man.
of course, of course. But in front of me, in order to motivate me, always you say, yeah, it's okay, cool.
All right, man. All right, yeah. All right. It's okay now. I got this new
So
thing.
you
Okay.
guys are not here to attend my class. Try to understand the motto of it. You guys are here to motivate me.
Okay.
Yeah.
You always think like that. When you are coming for session, you say, hey, where are you going? I'm going to teach Nagendra. He needs my help. Okay, done. Okay, guys, let me show you another use case. Okay, this is called use case one. Hmm?
Mhm.
Subha,
Yes, sir.
this is use case one, and this is called use case two. No confusion, right? Yeah.
Mhm. No.
Second use case is little bit. We have string st, right? Variable. In that, suppose we have na, right? And here again, I'm making m and I'm doing st plus. Be careful, guys. And here I'm just adding gen, right? Subha, come with me.
Yeah. No, it is.
Like here
Mhm.
in m, it is a variable. St is not fixed. Right now we have na, right? But st can take anything on the runtime. So
Mhm.
in m, Nagin will come or it could be anything at runtime.
It
It
could
could
be
be
anything,
anything.
man.
Why? Because st is a variable. St can, right now it is coincidence. We have na, but st can have anything, right? So it is a variable expression. So if I compare, it is a little bit confusing. Be careful, sir. Be careful. Be careful. Right? So what I'm doing over here is m equals to g. Hey Subha, tell me,
Yeah.
it will come true or false, and why?
Where is G? Oh, G you got
G,
from here?
G, G
Okay.
is G is here.
Yeah, G is from here.
G is
So
Nagin.
in this particular case, ST equals to NA, it will be the same thing, man. It will be
Here
true. N
G is
equals to G.
Nagin.
Yeah.
Listen to me.
Hmm.
And here m is not m is Nagin, but it is not fixed because in st somebody can assign from the keyboard. It is a variable. Somebody can assign ma. It may be Magin, right? It could be anything. So here m equals to g. When you compare, you cannot say true, right? It could be anything, right?
Anything, yeah.
So this will give you the false always. Why? Because when you do st plus jn, it will create a always new memory. What man?
New memory.
New memory. Why? Because this value is not fixed. Variable plus
Constant.
constant. It is variable. You know the formula, right? New
Hmm.
object. Hey, Pallavi, do you understand why st plus jn is creating new memory? Because st is not fixed. St could be anything. Here, na plus jn is not creating new memory. Why? Because na plus jn both are fixed, right? So it is equivalent to nagain. So it will use the same memory.
So
But
again,
here
here,
Why is ST not fixed?
yeah, I
it
have
is
a
not
question.
fixed.
So, mm, I mean, in this case, what if you just do a string at and just without without initializing it?
Without initializing it, you cannot use it. That is the
I
Java
mean,
rule.
so if you just do string st and you can't do string m equals to st plus gen. No, you can't, right? You have to initialize the variable first, right?
You have to initialize variable
Yeah,
first
yeah,
before you
yeah,
use.
yeah.
Mug it.
Exactly.
Variable must be initialized before you use. This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
core Java rule.
yeah,
This
sure.
concept is clear to how many people? Anybody is there who it's not clear to clear? Whom I can ask? Janak, Mr. Janak Karki.
Yes, it's clear.
This clear? Oh my
Yeah.
God. What about? Let me talk with one more people. Renuka. She's my friend. Renuka. Renuka. What about you?
Yeah, it's clear for me too.
Oh, nice. So this is clear, right? Let me discuss two more use case. After that, I have done with this string, and after that, I can make you many programs on it, right? Your coding will start, Mister.
Nagendra
Another
sir, I have a quick question. So on case three, why is string st equal to na? We can't change it. How does that happen?
see st is a variable. Right now we have na. It can have ma, pt, gt, nt. It could be anything. So variable plus constant value. When you append it or concatenate it, it will always create new object. That's concept,
Okay, okay.
right?
Variable can
Concept.
be changed at any time of the code, right? That's what you're saying,
Yeah, any
right?
type of the code.
But
So it will always produce new object. You think
but
like that.
particularly for your case right now, it's gonna do again, right? Because we have initialized
No,
it
no,
as
no.
NA.
Actually, you cannot. Actually, in this case, it is Nagin, particular case,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, that's particular case.
But because of the particular case, you cannot develop this kind of concept. Concept is always general.
No, no,
Got
I
it?
understand. Yeah, 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 yeah.
General concept is when you have variable plus something constant, it will create new object. Mug it. Done.
Okay.
Now I'm creating a string using new operator. What? Hello?
Using new operator.
I'm creating a string using new
iPhone को
operator.
चार्जर यहाँ से यही
Hey, don't cook food in the kitchen. Don't do that. Please mute yourself.
I'm sorry.
No problem. Here, I'm making object of string using new operator. When you create object of string using new operator, blindly it will create a new copy of it always in the Java heap. In which memory in the JVM?
Java heap.
Subha. When you create string using new operator, it will be created inside the JVM in which portion of it? Subha. I said
String pool, man. I'm sorry, I was
no,
on
no.
mute.
When you
String memory.
do with new operator, it
Mhm.
will create inside Java heap.
Oh, okay. With the new.
Java heap is the
Oh,
another
okay.
memory in a part of the JVM, right?
Okay, okay. I got you.
So again, n, right? Can you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Nagin.
Yeah.
So it will blindly create the new memory always. It doesn't matter Nagin is there or not. You got the concept or not?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it in this case, this memory will be always created, right? Yeah. Suppose again I'm creating string d2 equals to Yesuba.
Yeah.
I'm just
It will
doing
be.
it, right?
Yeah, it'll create another again. So
It will
it will
create
again.
another memory again, right? Again and again, again and
Mhm.
again. It would not check whether it is there or not. Blindly it will create it. Okay.
But
Got the
yeah,
concept?
yeah,
This
yeah.
is design like that concept,
Mm,
which you have to remember it. Okay.
mm.
So again, it will point to this, and this will point to
D2.
D2. Now, if I compare D1 and D2, right? Tell me, true or false? Hello?
D1 and D2. Which
False.
D?
False. It is different address and this is different
False
address,
because they're two different objects.
right?
Yeah.
False. Subha.
So
Is pointing to different memory. Oh man, you forget it. Like memory address is A11. This memory address is B11. Are you following me?
Yeah.
So different memory address. So why you confused? For a simple thing.
What's the difference between this Java heap and intern pool again?
This is two different memory concept.
Okay. So they have different uses?
Yeah, different use. I'll tell you what uses are soon. So this is the concept. When you create object string using without new operator, it will go to the intern pool concept.
Mm-hmm.
But when you use new operator means always in Java heap, mug it. New
Okay.
means Java heap.
Java heap.
New means Java heap. Okay,
Mm.
done. If I compare str and any guess, people, if I compare str equals to d1, tell me, str is in different memory, right? In the intern pool. D1
Mhm.
is different memory in Java heap, right? So again, it will
Mhm.
be
False.
False.
false. Let me show you one more example and last for today, right? So, or I can do in no, let me do it. See, same example, right? If you use final, Subha,
Yeah.
final, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like here I'm using like this. Final, let me use simple final, and here I'm using NA, right? But it
Mm-hmm.
is final, right? Remember it. And
Mm-hmm.
again, I'm creating a string k equals to s plus
Gen.
gen, right? So in this situation, tell me, this is not a variable, Subha. This is
Yeah,
s is
that's
not a
what
variable. It is final.
constant.
Final means
Yeah.
constant. Fix.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
in this situation, what happened? in this special situation, right? K, if you compare K with intern pool, right? K equals to
ST.
STR, right? It will come true. Why? Because if it
STR
is
is not.
variable, right? If it is variable, then it will create new copy. It is not a variable,
Mm.
right? So it will not create a new copy. It will take from the Nagin intern pool, right? This will
Mm.
become true.
Okay.
Are you following me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is use case 4.
Mm.
Use case 4. Vivek, sorry, Subha.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
I got it.
use case 5 and this
Mm.
is use case 6, right? So I'm able to discuss everything. This is little bit confusing. Oh, constant, right? Constant or not? Oh man, in S n is final. Nobody can change it, right?
Yeah.
So fix plus fix again always. If S is a variable, oh man, same program if you change it. Shubha, what
Yeah.
he said?
Mhm.
Same program, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you remove the variable final, what happened? Then this will become.
False.
False.
Please remember it. Okay, I have done.
Mm.
So
Mm.
guys, this is reference equality. Tell me D1 and D2, right? Both are false. But if I do the content equality, Mr. Subha, I'm comparing the content, not reference. Equals method, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying, hey, D1 string, your
Yeah.
content.
Mm-hmm.
Again, equals D2 content. Yes, you know? Yeah.
Yeah, true.
Oh
That's
man,
true.
content equality, right? If content
Mm-hmm.
is same, it will return true always.
True.
So it will return the Boolean value. Say yes.
True. Yep.
Yep.
And Boolean value. If you B contains Boolean true. Yes, you know.
Yep.
So if I say if B equals to true, this will come true because it is true. Make sense? True.
Mm-hmm.
So this is called what, man? Equals is what? Content equality.
Content
Oh man,
equality.
it is not comparing the address of D1 and D2. Here, this is reference equality. But equals
Yeah.
does
Content
Content
equality.
equality.
content equality. So here, content equality for D1 and D2 is true, but reference equality for D1 and D2 is different because you are comparing address of
Reference.
it. So guys, I have done with the string session. I have to show you just couple of the example. After that, you will be champ in string. In string, if you forget anything, I'll kill you. Then I have done in the session, just stopping the recording. And in next session, we'll learn exception handling. Thank you so much.